Welcome back. It's been a long time. I think it's been over a year. I was gonna post a shop update the other day, but then I had technical difficulties because I use GoPros, and basically anytime I try and do anything, they're gonna fail me. So, I'm working on a video for this thing right now. Probably never make it, just like the last 10 videos I've started and never finished. I've got this little Festool CT MIDI dust collector I've had here for about a year now, a little bit over a year, as well as the dust deputy over here. The problem is they're on the dust collector was over there, and the dust deputy was over here where the clamps are sitting next to that bucket. So I had hoses going across, and it was always a pain. And plus, anytime I wanted to use the dust hose here, this Rockler dust hose, which is really awesome. It weighs a ton though. It has to be suspended. If it's not hanging up from something, it's like just this dead weight constantly pulling on you. It's always trying to pull the tools down, which makes it harder to use them, especially if you're using a sander, because it's always putting weight on that one, the edge wherever the hose is connected to it. And then if you set the tool down and walk away, it falls off the table because of just the weight of the hose itself. So what I was using was I just strung this 550 cord Type 2 nylon, for those of you that know what I'm talking about. Hung that up there, but then, it was basically in a fixed position, and as you can see, it was shaking the light, so the light was always moving back and forth. And I was stuck to that one spot, and the only other spot I had was... That was weird. So the only other spot I had to hang it was this loop right here on the garage door opener. If I hung it up from here, it would just slip off with the bungee cords I had. So I went ahead and made this cart. I was going to try and make a rack for the back of the Tacoma with this, but I decided I'm going to use it for this instead. And then I also realized that I might be able to make an overarm dust collector for the table saw out of the rest of that tubing as well. That's as horizontal as it gets. So the idea is that I can raise this up, but this doesn't get any lower. It'll drop down to like a 30-degree angle here. So I'm probably just going to cut it, weld it horizontal from this position. That way I can lift this up and down and do something else. And I might end up cutting it to make it shorter too, because right now it's too long to fold up. So that's where we're at. Also, I got some mail. So let's dig into that real quick. From GI Low. I wonder what this could be. Let's get it opened up. I need to hurry. It's starting to rain out here. So let's see what we've got. Look at that. It's my top fan badge. Thanks, man. I didn't think I was ever going to get this. So my top fan badge. From Facebook. So check out GI Low. I know the guy, great cartoons, pretty funny. I work with him. Check his page out. Thanks for watching.